Hi guys, thank you so much. Welcome to the channel again, and we are here in Serere Kyere. And guess what guys, we are talking about agriculture, since we know that agriculture is the backbone of our country here, Uganda. And now the Ugandans are taking agriculture to the different level. Today I want to introduce you to this type of farming, and it's called black soldier farming. And this type of farming has been encouraged this side of Serere by Honorable Helena Doa, where she has trained many farmers. And today, this is what the farmers are able to do. You're going to know how black soldier fly is helping the farmers this side in Serere in Uganda. Enjoy the video. There, and I want to take you to a tour. So please, if you can guide us and showcase us how you can come up with a black soldier fly.
Okay.
And maybe before that, let's start with the advantages of black soldier fly to farmers outside there.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, to talk about black soldier fly, it's a big thing. When it comes to a lot of science, the language that whites gave us.
Yes.
But black soldier fly is a simple fly which lives in the bush, and according to research, it has got advantages that are very, very important for the health of a human being and animal. Any animal that eats more than just grass. Yeah, so it has got nutrients, those useful nutrients for the body, for growth, development of organs, and also body balance. Above all, disease prevention when talk about the immunity of the body. So we have the electrolytes, we have the amino acids, that special amino acids, the body is able to transform them to antibiotics. So it means when you eat black soldier fly as a human being or even animal, that animal has got an immunity against what? Infections. Like now bacteria, most of the bacteria, because there is a component of antibiotic it has. Two, it has also a component of antiviral, especially the lipid viruses. Now, in science, just viruses, okay, to say there are viruses that operate in such a way of binding to the CD4 cells or those other immune defensive cells. Example is the measles and even HIV. Friends, HIV also. This black soldier fly has got a component, its larvae has got a component, when its amino acid is being broken down in the body, it prevents the takes 14 days, as we said, and those 14 days, the first 7 days are very key for this larvae to massively eat. So you should be able to feed it the first 7 days. By 7 days, you should be able to harvest it as a feed. One, it helps you to reduce on the wastage of the waste material, for especially those that you want to just eat, you use as a feed, because by 7 days they should be in a better size. Okay. But now there is always a mechanism all farmers must learn, that because you want to continue the cycle, you have to divide it about at least 20 to 80% ratio. 80% you harvest as what? That's now for the maggots. After 7 days. Yes. The 80% harvest up as what? As a feed. Okay. Then the 20% you allow it to complete the what? The cycle, as we are going to see. Why do we do that? The 20% must go back to the what? To the cage. Yes. Now the other 20% will eat less feed material, helping you to reduce on the cost of what? Also wasting the feed. Because some people, they can even feed the whole thing for the 2 weeks. You're wasting. Because by 7 days you should be able to harvest what? The larvae that you need to dispense as a feed. So after the larvae stage, we go to the third stage. Okay. We remember eggs take 4 days, larvae takes 14 days. Now we're going to go to the pupa. Now by the time pupa it turns to pupa, from the 14th day, it must not be in the feed. The characteristics of the pupa is that one, it doesn't eat because it is trying to build inside. Internal parts are developing. Okay, the wings, the and all that, the body formation of the fly. So it becomes docile a bit, as we can see here. Maybe we can zoom. So here inside here, this is already part of the pupa stage. Are you able to see it? So pupa stage, now it becomes docile. Some of them are already moving, but almost becoming docile. Maybe for the purpose of the cameraman and our learning, I can get them out. So our pupa literally turns blackish and then docile. You see, a few of them are still motile. They're still moving, but they are going to, as they complete the 18 days, they will be completely docile as they make the fly parts. Okay. So by 18 days, that is the days the pupa takes, and it's able to give you a next stage as what? A fly. So pupa stage takes 18 days. And after 18 days, we expect the fly to hatch out. As we have seen, it hatches out to become an adult. Now, as you can see in the cage. Now, whatever we see there, that's the black soldier fly, which has hatched from what? The pupa stage. Okay. Now, this adult takes about only 9 days and dies off. Yes. Now, by 5 to 7 days, it must have given you what? Eggs. So that's why you find that your cage section must be conducive enough that by 5 to 7 days, the environment, that's when you look at the structure, I will talk about that later, you must have a conditioned structure whereby they are able to be excited so that they can mate together and give you what? Eggs. After 7 days, sometimes they lay eggs even though they are not fertilized, and that will be a challenge to your production, and then they die off because by 9 days they should be able to die, and by that you should have had another batch of your cycle so that you can continue feeding the cage. So I think with that we have eggs 4 days, larvae 14 days, pupa we have 18 days, and then the adult we have 9 days. That complete cycle has got 45 days, and you're able to, when you master that and how to handle every stage, then you're good to go to be able to rear black soldier fly.
Aku malimo kini tunga bunda nyara ngalu jesu abuang ageu agabo kuna panya sudah ngadu ni dia yena poti tunga berokok kwata kwenye do kapi jari ke da minister abu ata mai bakbaka neke betu to minister ngara kina ngodo mo kini dia so butu to minister mo kini dia buena ken kole buena ken agaria ilukumniare kole ilukumni Sare no pono ina tenya matidis. Kwenye poti nyama to kadata kuto giroto. Abubo nge ope ne pe ya to minister be katwen. Ikora gojo media kwenye di nyama. Ati onoro budo be yata kamara checho ha. Na raido abudo birani kwenye buto to minister bu. Eda dolum abu dolo adolo rabo isit. Bo dumbundi imamete nyama. Na raido bo gireta ngakwa de mami pola peranga dum nyama. So buto joka bombe kwa nibo nije akoto kwa na dongo aya uni chuchu lo kwa na apita kine so lo pidorojo apesia idia apita agaria apita kole mu apita kokore kiboro kyere so budona se tojo ko bombe kwa nibo nije dukuta tukoto abu kwa na nga joku ne pilotiti le bu kwa na isha na kine so ai polo episeri boronu so ne pero kapa kedit obuiju ke pilotiti mwalu no buisha na kisani ada na pakina pe woje so isisi akwa naso atole kama na kele chuchutulo jenso kwa ne pole o ge chuchutulo jenso pole beto rata ni chuchutulo jenso kwa ne stage le beto re chuchutulo atolo mona no atania ibore so chuchutulo ngara kiti boboto ne tongada lupo muna baka beja sa tonso jensi ngara ki bonenda Jamara la bombe. Eborola wiriga jigini no.
Baga beta ga ngiti kwa ni da. Ete ko video ayo ngenu
kamete. Apotse moko mukada le jigi male pa. So nasi yala marso ne yala maso ne jam minister noi. Do bonya muno bonde la suban ingara kikirotin. Olototo chutinga ren. Nara jaiso kwa kwenye kwana dokuso kujukwana.
Amen.
Young man has told you, it's not even well. There are some people who think when they are sick, when they have diabetes, when they have high blood pressure, they have other illnesses, they cannot do anything. They are thinking, oh, now tomorrow I can easily die. What do I do? But look at this young man. Despite the fact that he's overloaded with children, with work, he's able to make a difference in this village. So for me, I'm grateful to him and all this group for catching up the vision. Wow. And please, with the time, all of you should be able to be independent.
Right.
Wow. Thanks so much. Lava feeds the fish. This lava can feed the pigs. So please, make sure that you do this. Why would we be poor when God has given us wisdom and knowledge? And this is knowledge. This is, ordinary materials for getting rich. Get dirty for money. Don't just sit like some of you recently qualified from Kyere University. I saw people graduating. If you know you're a graduate, you know you have a degree, you have a master's, you have a diploma. Why would you look for a job? Let the job get you doing a job.
Right.
Yes. Let the job get. I remember I looked for a job after my diploma. I went for a degree. I looked for a job. I started selling different things, like I have sold soya, I have sold charcoal, I've sold pots, I've sold all sorts of things. And eventually I started a school and moved on. Now, today I am somewhere. Don't sit there and wait for you to get a lot of money before you can start. Start doing something small like this one. So please, I want to urge you, this association, this Akuja Farmers, Mixed Farmers Association, take care of your project. Love your project. Put a rota that we're supposed to be there today, we're supposed to be there tomorrow, and take care of what you have started. For me, I'm here to support you. May God bless you. Eng'onge se jinya matalui itanera garia, itanera kokorok, itanera pege, itanera itu. Umaria ititunga maria. Utasitunga kopana kuriori kyere, eraimo ituka itana. So anwa angun, akutanga iliponi, yene pupune ka poroto, morkikinos ogeuta, ada jilo pebone jikon sirigi. Are rai emilio tare milioni are wuni are kan elomuni tomare jaki tosek ejajaba oisek ejajibori chesek bedori itwa perele training amunere tibaka ngarakin jokede milioni tibon dodo jigeli boro sakuto ngai lipi tunga luo tingata. Please, I want to ask this organization, this group, take care of this project that you have started. Don't start a project today, then tomorrow you abandon it. If not, you sell anything, you start fighting. This project can make you a lot of money.
Yes.
Make sure that you collect the lava, you dry, you roast or fry, and put in sacks. Announce on radio and sell. You can even pack. You can pack in 1 kilo, you can pack in 2 kilos, you can pack in 10 kilos, and people will come and